Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now. And if you have watched my previous video, then we were hoping that there would be some movement on gold because we had a news event coming up yesterday. And as per the expectation, yes, we had some volatility in the market, and you can see that DXY US dollar became extremely bullish after the retail's sales report. And when DXY started going up, obviously we had a turmoil in the market, and gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, they all had started going down. And right now you can see that DXY is still very bullish, extremely bullish, and there is no resistance in the market. If I zoom out the chart also, then you can see that we do not have any resistance. And if I take you to the higher time frame like weekly chart, then also you can see that market is very bullish. There is no resistance right now for DXY. And this is the chart of gold here. You can see that after hitting a high of 1877 yesterday, market started going down. And yes, market did take support at the 1850 level. This is a temporary support for the market. Yes, keep in mind, this is the temporary support for the market. If you have watched my previous videos, then I have clearly mentioned on my previous videos that if you are looking for a safe entry on gold, then you should only go for buy at 1830 level, considering the trend of the market. Because yes, right now gold is witnessing some selling pressure, but if you just look at the overall trend of gold here, and if you analyze the fundamental issues, then you'll see that gold is in uptrend right now. So considering the trend of the market, I'll say that if you are looking, if you have an perspective for next couple of days, weeks, if you are looking for some investment purpose, then you should only look for buying opportunities only. And if you're looking for, let's say, positional trading also, for a trade for 15 to 30 days also, then also you should be looking for buying opportunities only, because the trend of the market is still towards the upside, because you can clearly see that market is in uptrend here. So if gold comes down to the level of 1830 level and bounces, definitely you can go for a buy, but this is for positional trading only. But because you can see that market is not coming down to the level of 1830 by today, I think so. In case it comes down to the level of 1830, yes, you can go for buy, but for positional trading, this is a very good level to grab gold. And on the other hand, if you are looking for some daily trading, okay, then for daily trading purpose, I have got two levels for you. First of all, we have a resistance, or you can see that only resistance 1870 minor. Yes, this is a minor resistance at 1877. So if gold goes up and reverses from this particular resistance, you can take a sell position if market reverses. But keep in mind, this is for day trading purpose only, not for positional trading, because trend of the market is towards the upside. This is for some scalping purpose. Okay, if you are looking for 20 pips, 30 pips, then you can easily short the market at 1877 if market reverses from it. Okay. And if market comes down to the level of 1830, then definitely it's a good buy. And if market comes down to a level of 1845 to 1850, this is a temporary support for the market here. Here we have a temporary support at 1845 to 1850. So if you want to take a buy here, yes, you can go for buy, but keep in mind that this is for scalping purpose only. And if you are a beginner and new trader, then you can avoid, because the movement of gold is sometimes is too much to handle. So beginners and new traders can totally avoid, and you should only trade on good and strong levels like 1830 or 1877. But yes, if market bounces from 1845 to 1850, you can also go for buy, but only experienced traders, not for beginners and new traders, because that can be quite risky for you. Right now it is trading at 1853, so no need to trade right now. Let it come down a little bit, and hopefully I've understood what are the trading opportunities on gold here. Okay, so considering the overall trend of the market here, so if you're looking for positional trading, then only go for buy at 1830 level, or if it breaks the level of 1877. That's it. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.